Bold, budget-friendly, iron-rich, this easy one-pan chickpea spinach curry is plant-based with a creamy twist. No cream needed. This recipe makes 2 servings, about 280 calories each. It's gluten-free and vegan when you make it with coconut milk. It's light yet hearty and is packed with iron, fiber, and plant-based protein. A smart choice to help boost your energy, especially if you're managing iron deficiency like I am. If this recipe added a little more flavor and ease to your table, don't forget to like and subscribe. And while you're here, please check out my other videos for more simple, delicious one-pan meals. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video as we dive into another bold and easy dish you won't want to miss. Until then, stay healthy and take care.